Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this fog, like you see on the screen right now, fairly realistic. We'll start on the Fusion page today. Get a fast noise. For those of you that don't know me, I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed, can't use my hands and arms. We can go to one viewer for this. Select the fast noise. Turn the detail all the way up. And the brightness, that will vary depending on your media. For default, we'll go -1, go all the way down. We're going to make a macro so you can reuse this. I'm going to set my seed rate to 0.03. Give it a play, see how it's looking. Then right click on the center, modify width, X and Y path. Go to modifiers up here. Delete those two keyframes. Right click on the X, modify width, anim curves. Set the scale to 0.5 and the offset to 0.25. Should explain what we just did here. With the offset, we move this green line, if you're able to see it, from being offset to the left, which will make the fog starting on the left side of the screen and not on the right. I set in the offset to 0.25. It puts it in the middle of the screen. We'll go up and see how it looks. That looks pretty good. I'll go ahead and make the macro. Right click on the fast noise. Go to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. We don't want to select the center because that's where the animation comes from. So we don't need to select that. Select the scale, delete scale and put in speed. That'll be what you're going to use to set the speed of it. The longer you stretch out on the timeline, the longer you'd have to make that. And invert, that way you can change the direction. Go to File, Save as Group. It takes you to Macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Generators. Here's where you're going to want to make your folder, put your preset in. Once again, I recommend name it different than the preset or Resolve won't recognize it. Put an underscore or a period or something in there. If you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. Here's the one we just made. The brightness will make it look like it has more fog. I don't know how well you guys will be able to see this. Seed rate, we'll speed it up. Kind of put a little bit of turbulence into it. You can angle it. and the speed. Invert it to go the other direction. Well, you guys can figure out the rest of the controls from here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.